Hello, so this is a short tutorial on how I go about cleaning all my blenders and makeup brushes. This solution, you can make it up yourself at home with kind of ingredient to have around the house. I robbed this recipe from Melanie Murphy. She's an Irish YouTuber, and I link her channel down in the description box below. So that's the solution there. I make it up using a third of olive oil, a third of antibacterial hand wash, and a third of shampoo. I just use shampoo from a hotel. You can use other oils, jojoba oil, whatever you want, but olive oil is in the cover. So a third of those, and just shake it up in the jar or whatever, or bottle, until they're all shook together. And you can put the lid on this and keep it and use it for another time. All the ingredients will separate slightly, so you just shake it up again. Put some of the solution on your beauty blender, wash it under the tap till it's runs clear, till the water runs clear. Same with the makeup brushes. Then I put the beauty blenders excuse me, in a jug of water, and I pop that in the microwave for like 30 seconds is more than enough, it's fine. And that's just to kill any bacteria, anything like that. That's an additional step because you are using antibacterial hand wash, so that will do it as well. Yeah, that's it. But this solution it's free. It's something I'm always trying to do, is look at little ways I could save money, always. And this is one of them. So thanks to Melanie Murphy for that. And there's loads of videos out there on how to clean them, but this is the way I do it. Hope you enjoyed it.